Hey, I've got these titanium shears by Goldblatt. They did send these to me. I'm going to show you how sharp these things are just to give you a quick look there. It's got like this curved, like beveled blade on it. In the feel on these, you can see right here, we've got this nut right here. Like really smooth. I feel like I'm getting a lot of leverage. So let's go ahead and start with the small stuff. So if we were going to take just a piece of paper, obviously, watch, of course, you're going to be able to do precision cuts, right? Very easy, very sharp. What if we were to take this entire thing and try to cut it in half? I don't know, that's about, 4 or 5 sheets. Okay, no problem. Now, look at this, we've got a hat. Let's start with the fabric on the hat. So if I wanted to cut through some fabric with this, like butter, not a problem. Look how easy that cut through. Let's do another one. You can use the tip. So whether I have it all the way up in the scissor or I'm just using the tip, watch. Look how easy that's cutting through. Precision, look at this. See that? If I want to go deeper, I can go deeper. Okay, so obviously that's easy for these shears. What about this thick bill on this hat? Let's go ahead and cut into it. Ready? Wow. Look at that. What is that? It's like a thick plastic in there. And this just cut right through it. Okay, super sharp. I don't feel like I'm really having to push that hard. I mean, obviously, I'm pushing a little harder through this than I am the paper, but my goodness, are these sharp. And that titanium is like a super hard edge. So these are gonna stay sharp for a very, very long time. What I like about these is that you can use them with paper, fabric, all the lightweight stuff, but when you need to get through some heavy duty material, you're gonna be able to do it. So it really is all purpose. You can cut through pretty much any of your most common like household materials and even the thicker stuff, thick foam, thick cardboard. This just blows right through it. Great pair of multi-purpose shears. Definitely pick these up and check them out. That's my quick review and thanks for watching.